Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word brow in depth. First, the definition. Brow means the hair above the eye or the arch formed by it. Think of it simply as the eyebrow arch or the ridge over your eye. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Brow traces back to Old English brew, meaning the ridge over the eye. Over time, it's been used by English speakers since medieval times. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use brow in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. She raised her brow in surprise when she heard the unexpected news. Correct example 2. His furrowed brow showed that he was deep in thought. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to brow the soup, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using brow correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Brow means the hair above the eye or the arch formed by it. It comes from Old English brew, meaning ridge, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with brow down in the comments. Get creative, and if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.